Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, faculty in attendance. We would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's an honor to meet you. In this presentation, we would like to discuss about security on Linux Ubuntu. Before the beginning, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Atila Tufailah.
My name Radivan Nuri Arsalan.
My name is Ramadhani Isya.
There are three subtopics that we will explain in this presentation. The first is what operating system is, what security OS is, and security on Linux Ubuntu. So, what is operating system? Operating system is a software system that controls and manages hardware along with basic operating system that makes it easier for users to use computer or other devices, such as managing the use of computer memory, cooperation between software and hardware, and also manage interaction between computer and users. Without operating system, users can run application program on the computer except for boot program. And this is the example of operating system. The first is Windows OS, developed by Microsoft Corporation, macOS, developed by Apple, and the last is Linux. So, what is Security OS? Security refers to providing a protection system to computer system resources such as CPU, memory, disk, software programs, and most importantly data or information stored in the computer system. A computer system must be protected against unauthorized access, malicious access to system memory, viruses, worms, etc. Because if a computer program is run by unauthorized user, it could be that user cause severe damage to computer or data stored in it. Authentication. Authentication refers to identifying each user of the system and associating the executing programs with those users. It is the responsibility of the operating system to create a protection system which ensures that the user who is running a particular program is authentic. There are three ways the operating system to identify or authenticate users. The first is username or password. User need to enter a registered username and password to operating system to log into the system. The second is user card or key. User need to punch card in card slot or enter key generated by key generator in option provided by operating system to log into the system. And the last is user attribute, like a fingerprint, a retina pattern, or signature. User need to pass the attribute via the designated input device used by operating system to log into the system.
One-time password. Random numbers. User are provided card having number print along corresponding alphabet. System asks for numbers corresponding to few alphabet randomly chosen. Secret key. User the provide a hardware device which can create a secret ID map with user ID. System X for secret ID which is to be generated every time prior to login. Network password. Some commercial applications send one-time password to user on registered mobile or email which is required to be attended prior to login. Program threat. Trojan horse. Such program traps user login credentials and store them to send to malicious user who can later on login to computer and can access system resources. Trapdoor. If a program which is designed to work as required, have a security hole in its code and perform illegal action without knowledge of user, then it is called to have a trapdoor. Logic boom. Logic boom is a situation when a program misbehaves only when certain conditions met, otherwise it works as a genuine program. It is harder to detect. Virus. Virus can replicate themselves on computer system. They are highly dangerous and can modify or delete user files, crash system. A virus is generally a small code embedded in a program. As user access the program, the virus starts getting embedded to other files or program and can make system unusable for user. System threat. System threat refer to misuse of system service and network connection to put user in trouble. System threat can be used to launch program threat on complete network which are referred to as program attack.
Here is a list of some well-known system threats. Number 1 is worm. Worm is a process that can hamper system performance by using system resource to an extreme level. Number 2, port scanning. Port scanning is a mechanism or means by which hackers can detect system vulnerabilities to carry out attacks on systems. Number 3, denial of service. Denial of service attacks typically prevent users from legitimately using the systems. For example, a users may not be able to use the internet if a denial of service attacks on the browser content settings. Next, security on Linux Ubuntu. Developer of Ubuntu develop security features and best practice that are rolled into all Canonical products. And this is security that used on Linux Ubuntu. Number 1, logging. Ubuntu system use logging process by default and therefore all system logging information. So it can be accessed via command. In addition, system is configured to forward all logging information to the logging service. Number 2, user account. User account have 3 functions. Number 1 is root in one account so account can be easily processed in administration system. Number 2, carelessness one of user not affected on a whole system. Number 3, every user has strict privacy in Linux Ubuntu. Next, Linux Ubuntu have DAC as a security system. What is DAC? DAC is directionary access controls. So the owner permission as well as Linux kernel capability. DAC is a type access control defined by the Trusted Computer System Evaluation Criteria as means of restricting access to object based on the identity of subject or group to which they belong. Next, Linux Ubuntu have proactive password. Linux use DAS for password, so user need to be trained to choosing the password that it will not order to be easily guessed by cracked password program under threat brute force attack. So the password is more safety. And next, Linux Ubuntu also have Firewall Linux. Firewall Linux is a network control access which make Linux can choose host that can access and host that disallowed access. And this is 3 function of Firewall Linux. Number 1 is analytic and filtering packet. Number 2 is blocking content and protocol as Java and cookies. And number 3, authentication, connection, and encryption. Next, Linux Ubuntu using encryption. Encryption application in Linux Ubuntu is security password Linux, used DAS, whereas encryption communication data use secure HEL. This program control logging to another computer within network, executed command with remote machine and move file from machine to another. And last, Linux Ubuntu using intrusion detection. Intrusion detection is activity that can detect infiltration fastly using particular program, which called IDS, Instruction Detection System. The type of IDS. Number 1 is rule-based system. Record by traffic data if appropriate with database of the infiltration which have been known, so directly categorize infiltration. Number 2, peremptory. IDS will regard to every traffic network and will directly block if there is a legal infiltration. Number 3. Reactionary. EDS only observe file log. And next, conclusion. Every operating system have security system for make it safety from hacking, virus, and other program threats. Each security safety tools on Linux Ubuntu has its own function. If security safety on Linux Ubuntu compared with Windows, Linux Ubuntu is more secure when compared to Windows. This is primarily because of the number of users that using Linux Ubuntu is far less as compared to Windows. This ensures that the damage in terms of virus or debugging software is less, as the main motive of attackers is to affect maximum computer. So security on operating system did not only depend safe tools or security system, but number of users also has an effect. And thank you for you watching this video. We are sorry if we have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for watching.